I'm here with John Vickers, and he is the manager of the new MaterialsLab project on the space station. John, thanks for joining us today. Tell us what MaterialsLab is. I mean, this is not your average database we're talking about now.
So we're really excited about MaterialsLab. MaterialsLab is a new project. It's a new approach, actually, to conducting materials microgravity science on the space station.
And this is really important work we're doing. I mean, we've got to learn how these materials behave in microgravity so that we can venture further, and it helps us here on Earth as well.
Absolutely. Materials research is one of the fundamental building blocks of any technological innovation. We're directing this Materials Lab research to be applicable to first our NASA needs, but also to industrial needs that we might have here on Earth.
So this is a novel way to share information, really. Tell us about the informatics part of that.
So one of the big ideas that we have around Materials Lab is to accelerate the information through our new Marshall-located physical science informatics system. That allows the data to be more accessible to scientists internationally, to many stakeholders around the nation, around the world.
So it's not only industry. I mean, we're talking about future spacecraft developers too that can use this treasure trove of information.
Absolutely. We have real NASA needs for higher performing materials. So understanding how we can make those materials more capable or lighter, for example, is very important to us at NASA.
And anything we learn in space pretty much can be converted to use on Earth.
Absolutely. We do need to know how these materials perform in space, and there's only one way to find that out, to investigate them in space. Many times we can apply that back on Earth.
So for folks who need this information, how do they get it?
So it's really easy to get to our physical science informatics system. You can go to our NASA Marshall webpage and locate it rather easily there. You can also Google NASA Physical Science Informatics, go and register, log in your own.
Have we had any results so far? I mean, are you hearing any feedback about how this is really working?
So our physical science informatics system has just been online for probably 6 months now. What we're doing presently is loading old science data that we've had from past experiments that we've conducted in space. We're really hearing good results back from that already.
Good. Can't wait to go and see if I can figure some of this materials research out. Thanks, John, for joining us.
You bet. Thank you.